Everyone, in this lecture we'll talk about the dry cell, which is the type of the primary storage battery. Dry cell is a cell that cannot be recharged. Once it is expired or dead, it cannot be recharged anymore. So let's talk about the formation of the dry cell. For formation of the dry cell, first we need a zinc container or a zinc beaker. In that container, we need a graphite rod. We all know that graphite is one of the good conductor, so it will help to conduct the electricity or the electrons within the cell. After that, in the container, there would be zinc ions in the form of the aqueous. The container will be made up of zinc solid, but the container will contain the aqueous solution of zinc ions. Now, particularly, all the functions are done by the rod, that graphite rod. So, we have to coat this graphite rod with different coatings. First, we'll coat the graphite rod with the chemicals MnO2 and the carbon. After that, another layer of electrolyte. This electrolyte is the paste of NH4Cl and NHCl2. After the coating, we will place it back to the container and now we will connect or we will add the caps at the upper level here and the lower level here. Now, in order to execute the electrons in the wire, we will connect the upper cap with the lower cap. Here, MnO2, that is this, will work as the anode while this will work as the cathode. Now let's see how the reaction will happen. Now first here you can see that at the anode side there will be two conditions that will take place. First of all, the zinc will transfer into the zinc ion by losing the electron, and this electron will be included in the aqueous solution. When this zinc ion will be included in the aqueous solution, it will react with NH4Cl. By reacting with NH4Cl, it will become the zinc chloride plus 2 moles of NH4, including 2 electrons. Now, this will be the reaction of the anode side. Now, let's talk about the sum. Now, we know that this zinc ion will be cancelled with this zinc ion and we will last with the product, that is zinc plus 2NH4Cl, that will transfer into 2NCl plus 2NH4 and 2 electron. Now let's move on to the cathode side reaction. First of all, the MnO2 that is present here in this side will react with the H2 gas that is produced by the ammonia, and reacted with the electrons by producing by reducing the bond, it will become H2 gas. So there will be two gases, 2NH3 and H2. Because of the formation of the gases, there can be a severe damage to the shape of the container. To reduce that, the 2NH3 will react with zinc chloride and it will form the zinc ammonia plus the chloride gas. Now this electrolyte paste will react with NH3 on basis of the lone pair. After that, we'll last with this reaction. That will be the cathode reaction. This MnO2 will react with the H2 gas in presence of two electrons. Now, these two electrons will transfer into MnO and make oxygen or water. Now, after that, we know that this H2 gas has the covalent bond. So, this H2 gas, with the help of two electrons, its covalent bond will be break down and it will become the -1 ions. So because of this ion, the electrons will move from this side to this side. Now, if we need any kind of electricity that is produced by this reaction, we can simply add here a bulb that will blow up as the reaction will start. After a specific time where the ions will be ended, so it will be expired or damaged. I hope that dry cell is clear to you all, and thank you so much for watching.